Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to translate a website and make it multilingual. There are a couple of methods to do it. We can either have auto translation, manual translation, or we can have both at a time. Today I'll be showing you the best solution available. I'll be using WordPress, however you can use this free tool for translating Shopify, Squarespace and Wix websites as well. It's simple and easy, so let's get started. First thing is just visit weglot.com. I'll provide the link in the description as well, and you can see the easiest way to translate a website. And it will display a widget on your website where customers or visitor can choose a language like this, and it will also change the URL based on that language. So you can share the URL with those specific clients or customers as well. Now to get started, you can just click on get started for free. And this will open up the sign up page where you can just write your email and password and then click on sign up. And after sign up, you will see a thank you message and you will need to verify your email address. So just open up your email and click on verify email. And after verifying your email, you will see a dashboard like this. I am under projects page and I am logged in here. And you can see you are about to make your website multilingual. Now the first thing is we will need to create a project here, for which we will just write the project name and then we will choose our website technology. So let me write the website title here. And under website technology, you can choose WordPress, Shopify, BigCommerce, Jimdo, Squarespace and Wix. As I'm using WordPress, so I'll choose WordPress and we'll click next. Now this will show you the method of integrating Weglot with your website based on the technology that you have chosen there, okay? You can see set up Weglot for your WordPress website with 3 simple steps. First of all, we will just copy this API key and then scroll down and make sure to install this Weglot plugin that you will see in your dashboard, and then you can use this API key to integrate it with your WordPress website, okay? Let me show you how. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard, and to install that plugin we will go to plugins, add new. By the way, I have changed the language to Dutch, okay? So let me translate it quickly. Okay, so to install that plugin we will go to plugins, add new plugin, and here we will search for Weglot. And this is the plugin we need, translate WordPress and go multilingual. Just install and activate it. And once you activate the plugin, you will see it over here, okay? You can also click on this Weglot configuration page to go to the dashboard. And you will see a dashboard like this. So we can just put our API key here and then we will choose our original language and the destination language, okay? And here you can choose your website main language, okay? So I'll choose Dutch language because I'm using that as my primary language. And then choose your destination language to which you want to translate the website, okay? So here I'll choose English and that's it. Then we'll just save changes. And that's it. Well done, your website is now multilingual. Let's close it. And this is our API key, our original language, destination language, and this is the button preview which will look like this, okay? And it's a drop down with flags. So if you don't want to display flags, you can just uncheck it. And this is the type of flag, so you can have rectangular or square or circle, just like these, okay? With name, if you want to hide this name, you can uncheck this as full name. If you want to display full name or just the language code, okay? Like this. And here you can add custom CSS if you want to, and here you can customize the button position by going to use switcher editor. This will take you to Weglot, okay? Where you can change the position. And then you can exclude some URL and you can exclude some blocks if you want to, and these are some optional settings like auto redirection. Check this box if you want to redirect user based on their browser language, okay? So this is a handy tool, let's just tick it. Now it will open up the website and the user browser language, okay? For example, I have set my language to English, so this will show me the English version directly, which is fine. If you want to translate emails, you can just check this box to translate AMP pages and search pages, okay? Let's just save our changes. And now I'll change this language back to Dutch, okay? So I'll go to settings, general. And now let's check the translation. So let's visit the website. And here you can see the language switcher. Now it redirects me to the English side because my browser language is English, okay? Now if I switch to Dutch, you can see the Dutch language here, okay? If I switch back to English, you can also notice my URL here, okay? This is with EN. And if I switch back to Netherlands or Dutch, you will see the regular URL because this is the primary language of the website. Now if you notice any issues or mistakes in the translation, you can just edit the translation, okay? For that you can go to Weglot and click on this visual editor. And this will open up Weglot visual editor where you can edit the string or the sentence and you can change the words, okay? Let's say I want to change this one, so I'll just click on it. And this will open up this translation. This is home and this is also home. If you want to change it, just write your own text here and then click on OK. That's it. Same goes for all this text. Just hover over here and then edit and change the translation. And why this is important is because in automatic translation there may be some mistakes. And also many languages have multiple flavors, like French and France will be different from the French and Germany, okay? So in this way you can change the words based on the language and the flavor. Let's click OK. One more thing is you can also translate images with this free plugin. Let's say I want to display another logo for the English version, so I can just click on it. Then scroll down and here you can change the image URL. This is the source of the image, okay? If you want to use another one, just upload another logo to the media library in WordPress and then in the translation use that URL. Let me show you how. I'll go back to its dashboard, then I'll go to media and I'll upload a new logo here, okay? For example, this is our new logo, so I can copy its URL here. Then we'll go back to visual translation and here I can paste that URL, and then in the translated version of the website it will show a different logo, okay? So in this way you can translate images as well. Let's click OK. Now if you want to manage and check your translation all at once, you can just go to your Weglot dashboard and here you can go to projects and you will see your first project here. Just click on it. It will open up the settings for it, and if you want to manage its translation, just click on this edit. And here you can access all your translation at once. Again, if there are any mistakes, we can just correct them and then we can save the changes, okay? So this is how you can translate a website and make it multilingual, including images. And for more, just follow my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce. And still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next